Justin with Just-N-Tyme Automotive. It's that time of the year again. Best of the Burg 2022. From February 1st to February 17th, you can nominate us to go into voting for Best of the Burg. Now the trick is we have to be in the top 5 of all of the automotive shops in Fredericksburg, and we're shooting for Stafford too because we service both Fredericksburg and Stafford. So if you could do us a huge favor, go to the link in the description, mash that link, and nominate us for Best Repair Shop in Fredericksburg and Best Repair Shop in Stafford. It's going to get us closer to our goal of being Best of the Burg for 2022. And that way we can help service you for another decade to come. Thanks.